Keller here, your Youth Alive missionary. And I want to challenge you tomorrow to get up and get out of bed and go to your school. Because tomorrow is See You at the Pole. It may be at 7 o'clock, it may be at 6:30, it may be at 7:30 at your school. I don't know what time it is, but I'm sure you already know all that stuff. So right now, you need to determine in your mind that you're going to be a part of this incredible movement, student movement of prayer. Prayer changes things and it changes you. So I'm challenging you to be a part of See You at the Pole tomorrow at your school. And if you're a student, get there. If you're a homeschooler, get on your knees tomorrow and pray. If you're a parent, go to your church and pray. If you're a youth leader, pray with your students if you can. Otherwise, go to the church and pray. Be a part of an incredible prayer movement right here, not only in your community, not only in your state, but in the world. This is an awesome day tomorrow to gather together as followers of Christ. And I want to share with you, you got it, a scripture that is the theme verse found in Ephesians chapter 6, verse 18. It says this, "And pray in the Spirit on all occasions with all kinds of prayers and requests. With this in mind, be alert and always keep on praying for all the saints." So, hashtag keep on praying. Don't forget tomorrow, social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, hashtag keep on praying. I'm excited about what God is going to do through you and in you tomorrow. I believe in you, but even more than that, God believes in you. Go out and make a difference.